Hello, assalamu alaikum, hey guys, what's up? You going on for tomorrow today? This is the 4X Stunt Master Roller Truck Master. Yes, you are listening to these gadgets and beautiful. Please subscribe the channel and bell icon plus. These gadgets is more interesting and the most futuristic gadgets. You have looking for four-wheel drive in these gadgets. Yes, agree you if you can buy these gadgets and click the below link and buy the gadgets for cheapest price. These gadgets so beautiful, amazing stunt and so best amazing speed as in these gadgets. So what's up guys, these gadgets you here and click the below link and chap. These gadgets so amazing and more futuristic. Yes. So cool. These gadgets for shocks perform in front of two wheels and back of two wheels. Just have most powerful and most futuristic available. यो चीज जो है बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. Gadgets more want to this fun videos, so subscribe my channel and bell icon click if you want more like these videos. So please my follow us or series and watch this channel and gadgets. I want to see you these gadgets more beautiful and futuristic in the house power speed engine are produced to see in videos. Yes. This is the kitchen to grow fast and go to hill and win the race. I want to see you big bash race. This is the most high power in your wheels and high power engine capacity available these gadgets. Yes. You of course see these gadgets. So please subscribe my channel and bell icon please click and thank you for watching. I see you next video. Allah Hafiz.